Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I'll show you how to create a playlist on an Android phone using the YouTube Music app. It's quick, easy, and perfect for organizing your favorite songs. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube Music app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Step 2. Find a song that you want to add to your new playlist. You can search for it or browse through your recommendations. Step 3. Tap the three-dot menu next to the song title. This opens more options for the track. Step 4. Select Save to Playlist from the list of options. This is how you begin building your playlist. Step 5. Tap on New Playlist to create a fresh one. You'll be asked to enter some details. Step 6. Give your playlist a name. Choose the privacy setting and then tap Create. Your new playlist is now ready. Step 7. Repeat the same steps to add more songs to your playlist. Just tap Save to Playlist and select the one you created. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful tips.